Hi friends, I'm Natalia with Mom's Dish. Today we are making peanut butter cookies, crispy on the outside, lightly chewy on the inside, delicious recipe, easy to make. You're gonna love this one. You wanna combine dry ingredients together. I have flour, baking soda, and baking powder here. For this step to make your life much easier, you wanna use a stand-up mixer or hand mixer. I am combining butter with brown sugar and granulated sugar. We're gonna pop the mixing bowl onto a mixer and just add one of these mixing attachments, whatever this is. We're gonna add an egg to the mix and peanut butter. You wanna get the creamy kind, the one that you don't have to mix. This is the best peanut butter for the cookie, that way they don't separate. So the creamy peanut butter is your go-to. And now we're just gonna mix it in until it's nice and creamy. We're gonna add a little bit of dry ingredients at a time, just to the mix, and mix it in. And here you want to use a cookie scoop. It just makes your life much easier. Just scoop it out, roll it up, and place it on a baking sheet. To make this process crazy easy, I basically just make a bunch of little shapes of cookies and then I form them. Once I have a bunch, that way you can kind of bulk it out all together. To give it that classic peanut butter cookie look, you want to press the top with a fork. So I just go one way and then right across another way. And ta-da! We're gonna pop the cookies in the oven at 350 for 10 minutes. The cookies may come out soft, but that's totally fine. As they rest, they'll harden a little bit, so don't be concerned, but they do come out a little bit soft. And we're gonna make them a little festive because, you know, for the holidays, you gotta do a little jazz to the cookies. So we have some melted chocolate and some pretty sprinkles. We have a festive cookie for the holidays. This is gonna be your best peanut butter cookie ever. So crumbly, so good, and chewy.